Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find available orders on the Shipt Driver app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find some available orders. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, once you're accepted into the Shipt Driver app, what you'll do is that on the left-hand side, click on available orders and orders are going to pop up here. Now you have two different kinds. One are offers based on your schedule availability. And the next one is open to metro, meaning that regardless of your zone, these orders are up for the taking. On the top right hand corner, you can click on the refresh icon to go ahead and refresh orders. And on the left hand side, if you click on that, then click on schedule, you could actually go ahead and click on select zones, select the available zone, and then you can actually select delivery windows. And then these will be your typical offers when it comes to driving for Shipt. So let's go ahead and add a 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 p.m., 1, 2, 3, and then you can select which days as well. But now if you go back to available orders and scroll down, offers should soon appear here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way to that I know of to actually go ahead and find available orders on the Shipt Driver app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.